meanings, your setting, your arrangement, where should be the word written, where should be not written. So we have to use the whiteboard properly in a specific arrangement of words and sentences. Okay. Secondly, we will learn to construct a proper lesson plan. Whiteboard का proper use. We divide the whiteboard into three parts. Always we divide the board into three parts. First part is for contents of the day. Contents means unwanad. Contents means unwanad of the day. The day means आज के दिन के. आज के दिन के. दिन के. Also we can write contents of the session. If there is only one session, then we write contents of the session. And if we write for the whole day or two or more session, then we write contents of the day. आज के दिन के मौजूद which we have to read today. Okay? SL is the abbreviation of three words. Student learning outcome. Student learning outcome. Without S. This is student learning outcome, and S is for plural. To make plural. As follows. Often we do a mistake that we put comma here. It's wrong. When we make plural of the nouns, we don't take any comma. Don't write any comma before S or after S. Just we add S for making plural. So SLOs means student learning outcomes. It can be done completely. Otherwise, if we write tense, we can't complete in even 1 week because there are so much ingredients, so many parts of tense, so many aspects of tense, so we can't complete it. And another thing, based on your SLOs, it means you should consider, keep in mind only SLOs, not the topic. You should write the topic according to your SLOs. आपने करवाना क्या है, फिर टॉपिक का डिसाइड करें. नहीं समझे सर?